Posting a video with copyright can affect your monetization, or it may even lead you to losing your Facebook account. Now, for you to be monetized, one of the criteria is that you must follow Facebook monetization policy, and that means uploading original content. Or Facebook will slam you with this that you don't follow monetization policy. So here is how to check every video if it has copyright. Open your Google Chrome. If you're doing a reaction video, this is very important for you to do so that you don't upload videos that has copyright. When you open your Google Chrome, search for business.facebook.com. business.facebook.com. Click on this first one that pops up. Once you click on it, if you've not signed up prior, like if you don't have a Meta Business Suite, you will need to sign up. So you just type the business.facebook.com and search. Once you're done typing it in the search bar, you click on your search button to search for it. Then once it opens up, just allow it some time. See the interface. Let me zoom it in so that you clearly see what next to do. You click on this create post here. Once you click on create post, then it will take you to where you can now, what type of post do you want to create? Add video, because we want to run our video if it has copyright or not. You click on this add video here. Click on upload from desktop. Now it will take you to your gallery where you now upload that particular video you want to check if it has copyright. That is, if it is not your original video. Then click on it. It will upload. You see it. You start uploading till, let me just remove this pop-up that appeared so you can see how the uploading interface. You see it uploading. Then at this corner, you scroll to this corner. This is where you can check if it has copyright or not. Mine automatically scanned it, but yours can show scan video. Then once you click on it, you see it will start scanning the video. At the end of it, once it gets to the complete search, it will show you if it has copyright or not. You can see here it's showing original audio, so no copyright on that video. I can go ahead to upload that video. So do this for all your videos, especially if you're doing reaction videos or you're not uploading your original content, so you avoid losing your monetization if you've already been monetized or not being monetized at all. If you find value in this video, why not follow?